Okay, I'm back in South Florida, and while I'm here, I'm going to go up in a plane, a Cessna 172 with my buddy Ryan. He's a pilot for his day job, but he also does it for fun. And I'm going to take this little buddy, my Insta360 X4, my new favorite camera, and see what kind of footage I can get when I mount it to the plane's wing. So we're going to use this thing right here to triple suction mount. And this is meant to go pretty much anywhere on a plane's wing, on the side of a car. This thing is heavy duty. So with these two together, let's see what kind of footage we can get. Stay tuned. Today we are filming from South Florida, and today we're going to be flying a Cessna 172. I think we're going to get some pretty cool footage. We're going to try going over the beach too. And I really want to put this camera through its paces and see what it could do in terms of filming from the wing of a plane. And we'll check it out here shortly, and we'll see you in a bit. As you saw with this camera, the Insta360 X4, I was able to get footage and direct the camera to go anywhere, really. It's like it was the camera that has one of those motors in it and moves, but it really doesn't, because it gets 360 degrees footage the entire time it's filming. And then later in the app or on my computer, I would just tell it where to film. Look that way, up, down, anywhere, all around. And it's really easy to do. And there's all these different effects and all these different things you could do that I haven't even really touched yet. But I really think moving the camera to where you want to direct the footage is key. That is the beauty of this Insta360 X4. So this video is not sponsored. They did send me this camera to test out, and I love it so far. I do have an affiliate link where the first 50 people to purchase camera get the free selfie stick, invisible selfie stick, where you could take footage of yourself, and the stick somehow, the magic of this camera and the software make the selfie stick disappear. So if you have any questions or comments about how I recorded anything or mounted anything, comment below. I read them all and happy to respond. And thanks for watching.